What's happening, everybody? Trainer Cam here, back with another video, and today we're going to talk about how to start training for the absolute beginner. Now, there are plenty of movements out there, plenty of exercises that do pretty much the same thing. Now, for the sake of you being a beginner, I suggest you stick with the basics, right? Now, instead of worrying about having a variety of different exercises, I suggest you focus on rep range to bring about the desired results, okay? So, to develop these muscles, you want to stick with 2 to 3 movements or variations of a movement for that particular muscle group. So let's talk a little bit more about rep range. Now, when talking about the rep ranges, you're dealing with 3 different zones, right? First, you have your strength and power zone, which would be 1 to 5 reps. Then you have your hypertrophy zone, which would be anywhere from 6 to 12 reps. And then anything over 15 repetitions would be considered endurance, right? So think of your circuit training, hardcore conditioning, things like that. Next, let's talk a little bit about our sets and our rests. Now, definitely depending on what it is you're doing, how it is you're training, they are going to vary greatly. When it comes to strength sets, right, or strength training, you're dealing with 4 to 5 sets. With rest times of 3 to 5 minutes, right? Being that you are dealing with heavier loads, so you're definitely going to need more time to recover. You're not just dealing with your muscles, you're also dealing with your nervous system, right? Next, we have for your hypertrophy sets, that'd be anywhere from 3 to 4 sets with rest times of, let's say, 60 seconds to 2 minutes, right? You don't need a whole lot of time to recover. However, right, you do need some time because you are still dealing with moderate loads, right? We'll say maybe 65 to 75% of whatever your maximum is. And then for your endurance sets, it's usually body weight. It's not a whole lot of weight. Not to say that it's 100% body weight, but definitely you're dealing with your body weight, or maybe slamming a ball, tossing a ball, maybe some light dumbbells, light kettlebells, things like that. And so your rest times are going to be a lot shorter. We're talking anywhere between 10 seconds to 60 seconds to recover. And also for your sets, it could be anywhere from 5 to 10 sets. So you see how these things vary greatly. So with all that said, guys, the last thing I want to leave you with is you want to establish yourself a clear-cut goal, right? Ask yourself these questions. Do you just want to get stronger, right? Do you want to improve your maximal strength? Do you want to develop for yourself a nice physique, right? Are you just trying to go for shape, bring out the best in your genetics, aesthetically? Or do you just simply want to improve your fitness conditioning, or in other words, your cardiovascular conditioning, right? Establish for yourself, or get serious about what it is you want to do, and find yourself a personal trainer or a strength coach or some kind of sports specific coach to help you along on this journey, help guide you and show you where you need to go and where you need to be. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have a great day or evening, wherever you are in the day. I go by Trainer Cam. I will catch you in the next video. Deuces.